One of the great features about the Resonance Pro is the built-in client database. Your built-in client database is an online database which stores all of your client information in a secure encrypted vault. So if you lose your device or change your device, all of your client information will always be readily available as a simple download. To begin, we enter in your client's information, their date of birth, their gender, and before that, we click on the Begin a New Scan. This will clear any past energetic imprint of your previous client to help with an unadulterated scan. The Access Your Past Client Records brings up your past database. The next step is to enter in your wellness markers. So these are any clinical context issues that your client may be suffering from. This just helps you gain an initial understanding about your client's current state of health. It does not influence or impact the results in any way. It just gives you a quick snapshot into the client's symptomology and why they are actually coming to you for that session. Then we move on to the voice profile.